Hey everybody, welcome back. You know how much we love diving deep into the stuff you're curious about. And today we're tackling a topic that's, well, pretty essential. We're talking about real food.
That's right. We've got this text excerpt here that's got us all fired up about the core elements of human nutrition. And get this, it claims to pinpoint the absolute essentials for survival. You.
What we're really interested in is what does our body actually need to function?
Yeah. When you strip away all the diet fads and fancy superfoods, you're left with some pretty basic and honestly unexpected essentials.
Okay, so no more beating around the bush. Lay it on me. What are the magic ingredients for human survival?
According to this, it all boils down to six things: fat, protein, minerals, trace elements, vitamins, and, of course, water, or, water-like fluids. Okay, wait, hold the phone. Did you just say no carbs? I mean, come on, bread, pasta, rice, they're like the staples. How can they not be essential?
It's definitely a head-scratcher, but that's what makes this so interesting, right? This definition throws conventional wisdom out the window and suggests that carbs aren't strictly necessary for, keeping the lights on.
So are you saying all those late-night pasta cravings are just like in my head? How can something that my body seems to want so much not actually be essential?
Well, it's more complicated than that. You see, while carbs are a fast and easy energy source, our bodies are amazingly adaptable. When carbs are in short supply, our systems can actually break down stored fat for fuel through a process called ketosis. It's kind of like a backup generator kicking in when the main power goes out.
Wow, that's incredible. Our bodies are way more resourceful than we give them credit for.
Totally, and this really highlights the importance of those other real foods we were talking about, like take minerals, for example. They often fly under the radar, but they're crucial for everything from bone health to nerve function, even keeping our hearts beating properly. They're working behind the scenes, doing all the heavy lifting to keep us going.
They're like the unsung heroes of the body, right? So this bare bones approach to the six essentials is that all we need to, well, not just survive, but thrive.
That's the million-dollar question. Think of it this way. You need bricks to build a house. Those are the essentials. But to make it a home, you want windows, a roof, maybe a garden. So while the source really zeroes in on these core elements for survival, a more holistic view of nutrition recognizes that things like energy levels, preventing disease, feeling your best, which often involves a broader range of nutrients, and yes, that might include some of those carbs we've been talking about.
So it's about finding that sweet spot, right, fueling up for survival, but also nourishing ourselves to live our best lives. Exactly.
And that's where things get super interesting. It pushes us to think beyond just survival mode and delve deeper into how different foods impact how we feel and function every single day.
It really makes you stop and think about those food choices, doesn't it? If our bodies can function at least for a while without carbs, then what does that mean for our dependence on them in today's world? Definitely something to chew on as you're navigating those grocery aisles.